So we start off today's video with this pixie haircut transformation. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture and volume that this has. Beautiful swoop bangs in the front. Just simply incredible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So here we once again have someone with very long curly wavy hair. Looks like the stylist is going quite short for this major big chop. Wow, that was crazy. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this bob haircut transformation. I love the color. So beautiful. So next up we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like the stylist is adding in some bangs, some color. Wow, look at this beautiful angled bob. I absolutely love the color combination. The bangs really add some interest to the style too. And then we move on to someone who has very long hair. The stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. Oh, brilliant pixie style. Long bangs in the front, so chic and modern. I love that they have the donation box like right there that people can donate their hair. So it looks like we have a bit of an undercut for this next hairstyle. She has like this gorgeous bright blonde hair color. And it looks like the stylist is doing like an undercut pixie shape, adding in some bangs in the front. Wow, this is so beautiful. Absolutely adore the finished product. And then we have someone rocking out this gorgeous curly fro. Beautiful copper colored strands with some highlights mixed in. Followed by another cut and color transformation. Oh, so she also decided to go with like this beautiful copper tone. And then we have someone trying out the pink money piece highlight trend. Really pretty rose gold. And she also got the butterfly cuts. Wow, so pretty. Her hair has so much volume. What an amazing transformation. Just beautiful. And then we have this really pretty platinum pixie style with a mushroom pixie haircut. Followed by this very nice effortless bob haircut transformation. Really pretty tousled waves mixed in. And now we get to see the full transformation for that particular cut as well. Very nice. And then we have another beautiful tousled bob. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.